Welcome to this short screencast intended to help program planners find resources for planning unit programs for Conference 2021. With the cancellation of the face-to-face portion of Annual Assembly, the Program Committee had to adjust the program planning process and timeline. We have created documents to step you through the major components of this revised process. First, let's navigate to the location of the resources on the TLA website. On the TLA homepage, mouse over Tools and Resources. Click on the last link of the menu, TLA Officer Resources. Scroll down near the end of the page to Conference Resources. These are the key documents that the Program Committee has put together for you. The first document to be aware of is the TLA 2021 goals. These goals ask program planners to inspire equity. We challenge and invite program planners to empower voices through the speakers they choose, collaboration with units, being mindful of financial and physical barriers, using inclusive language, and reaching new audiences. We look forward to reviewing programs that align with these goals. The second document to be aware of is estimated program costs. This is a one-pager with estimated costs of putting on a program. It covers audiovisual equipment costs, speaker fees, and other costs associated with putting on a program. Please think about these costs as you design and enter your program into the Program Planning Google form. The third important resource is a timeline for program conveners. This timeline outlines the process and key dates. The Program Committee will be utilizing a Google form for entering programs this year. This form is titled the Program Planning Google Form. This is different than previous years when programs were entered into the TLA program database. Since we won't have annual assembly to discuss and finalize programs, we are using this Google form instead, which will allow us more flexibility as we work with units on the building program process. The form will open up on June 1st, and it will close on July 15th. To help units with designing programs and moving from the idea stage to the final program stage of the process, you are welcome and encouraged to attend virtual office hours with members of the Program Committee. These will be an important substitute for the face-to-face conversations that would have happened at Annual Assembly. These dates will be determined soon. The final resource to be aware of is a program planning how-to document. This is a helpful document that lists and defines key program elements. This document will bring a shared understanding to terms such as sponsors, conveners, panelists, and more. It will also explain the Program Planning Google form fields that are required when submitting a program. It will help you distinguish between program descriptions, learning outcomes, and give you a better understanding of conference tracks, time slots, and room setup. If these documents don't provide answers to all your questions, reach out to your friendly Program Committee liaison for more help. You can find your Program Committee liaison's name and email address in the Members Only section in your unit roster.